Alright, so duman lang to sa FYP natin at panoorin natin kung gaano ka confident at kayabang ang mga dutae. So itong matabang to, itong baboy na yan, okay, isa yan sa mga kilalang fake news peddlers, isa sa mga pinaka VOVO na anchors sa SMNI. Ewan ko, ito na yung mga ito na yung mga quality ng mga anchors of fake news peddlers sa mga DD shit. So panoorin natin kasi itong nag-post napakayabang din, mas mayabang naman itong baboy na yan, okay? Isang DDS fake news anchor ng SMNI.
Kami si Luistro. Ito panoorin.
So natamimi daw si Luistro. Okay, this is the interview, yung nagva-viral na interview ni Karen Davila na sinasabi na she is silent DDS at si Luistro. And remember, Luistro is being asked about whether they're gonna subpoena Michael Poa. Ito yun, napanood ko yung ilang seconds ito. And remember that this is a probable cause hearing, a preliminary investigation. So ang daming mga tinatanong dito ni Karen Davila na hindi mo alam kung nagmamagaling siya or concern lang siya. Okay? At tinatanong niya itong si Representative Jinky Luistro na chairman ng House Committee on Justice sa House.
So Attorney Poa goes there. I'll give you a scenario. He refuses to answer questions. He'll say, I don't believe that this is the forum. Right? Let's say hypothetically. You have to remember, they have a defense strategy. I mean, I don't know what it is, but what if Michael Poa...
To be honest, hindi ko pa napanood yung sagot dito ni Jinky Luistro. Okay, nag-edit ako dito pero hindi ko inabot to, if I'm mistaken. Pero yung tinatanong dito ni Karen Davila is, okay, papatawag si Poa. Paano kung ganito? Paano kung ganyan? May mga hypothetical question siya. First, mayroong power to subpoena and contempt ang House. Even at the preliminary investigation stage ng impeachment process na ito. Okay? That's already given. That's in the Constitution. May jurisprudence na ang Supreme Court dyan. So, ano yung pinagpuputong ng butsi ni Karen Davila? Yung mga hypothetical questions siya, yung mga agam-agam niya. I don't know if she's concerned, sabi ko nga, or she's a silent DDS, sabi ng iba. Okay? So, ituloy natin.
will be used as a witness in the trial proper, because you yourself said he was in a position then, right? During that time, he knows where the funds were spent.
Yeah, because he was the chief of his staff and spokesperson ni Sara sa DepEd. And of course, may direct knowledge siya, may direct involvement siya. Therefore, she can be, summoned as a witness or resource person dito sa impeachment process sa House. So what's the problem?
So he may not be one of the lawyers in the hearing in the trial proper, but they could use him as a witness. We don't know that. But by bringing him there, o sasabihin ng kasamahan mo, we will cite you in contempt for not responding. So that's when...
Ito, napakabobo yung tanong ni Karen Davila. Remember, this is the same House, okay, na nag-bait sa napakayabang na si Digonia sa Quadcom. Almost the same composition. Nandun din si Luistro. Okay? These are strategists. And you're asking Luistro this very stupid question na hindi naman niya kailangan sagutin kasi nga, we're talking about strategy here. Okay? These are the prosecutors. And then, natanong mo ba yung strategy ng House? Hindi, di ba? And it would be too stupid na patawag mo si Poa just to cite him in or for contempt. Di ba? That would be too stupid. At di ba, hindi nila ginawa yung kay Digonia because all they had to do is let him speak. And I believe that the strategy here is that to get Poa subpoenaed, and he got subpoenaed 34-3-0 yung vote, di ba? Okay? And then mag-testify siya under oath. And that's powerful enough for the public record. And then for the House to go for a vote on whether to impeach or not. Di ba? Yun lang yun. They simply had to ask or have to ask Poa targeted questions. Kung ayaw yung sumagot, fine. Kung sumagot siya, then add that to the evidence and record. Kung magiging evasive siya sa kanyang mga sagot, hindi siya sasagot, mag-invoke siya ng privilege, then that's powerful evidence enough na probative, okay? Circumstantial evidence. They didn't have to cite him in or for contempt. Okay? Yun yung hindi maintindihan ni Karen Davila, kaya nga bilib na bilib ito mga dutae dito sa questioning ni Karen Davila, pinaghihinalaan na isa siyang silent DDS daw.
It gets blurry. He can choose not to respond. He can choose
Yes,
not
of
to
course.
cooperate because it could be a part of the strategy.
What the heck are you talking about, Karen?
What is
Di ba? Ang ganda ng sinasabi ni...
Putang ina, bilib na naman tong si Baboy. Okay, yes, he can choose not to respond, he can evade, etc. And that's it. That's fine. Ito nakakalimutan naman putang inang dutaeng to at si Karen na sila pa lang yung nag-iisip ng mini-hearing. This is a probable cause hearing. This is a preliminary investigation. Sinabi na yan ni Jervel Luistro, ni Jinky Luistro. Kayo yung nakakalimot, di ba? Yung mga citing for contempt na yan, sa Senado na yan. Hindi yan gagawin ng House kasi that would be too stupid. na magiging full-on contempt drama ang, house dyan. That would be stupid. Yun yung nakakalimutan ni Jervel Luis and I'm quite interested kung ano yung sagot dito ni Jinky. At ito naman, baboy na to, bilib na bilib sa pinagtatanong na kabubuhan ni Karen Davila.
Karen Davila dito. O what if kung si POA part ng strategy ng legal team ni BBC?
There's no such thing as I'm part of the strategy exemption. Bobo. So what? That's gonna cloak him, not gonna cloak him from being summoned as a witness. Kasi meron siyang prior knowledge and acts being the spokesperson at chief of staff ni Saro Duterte sa DepEd. Yun lang yun. Pwede pa rin siyang patawag. It's not gonna be an immunity in favor of Michael Poa. Bobo ka na kung naisip mo yun.
Tara.
Bobo ka naisip nila, di ba?
Sabihin niya sa Congress na we have a strategy in place.
So what? So freaking what? Oh, ano kung may strategy ka? Oh, is that gonna make you immune from being summoned as an impeachment witness dahil sa yung knowledge and acts as prior knowledge and acts as DepEd House of or Chief of Staff? Hindi naman, di ba? Bobong putang ng mga to.
And yung mga tanong nyo
Ano pinagtatanong
or
ito?
yung mga sasabihin ko dito may jeopardize yung strategy namin. And since this
There's no such thing as it's gonna jeopardize our strategy, defense, or exemption. Bobo.
is not the impeachment court,
And they're not even gonna go there. Okay? They're simply gonna ask Poe very specific questions, and if it's not gonna answer by claiming privilege, then so be it. Okay? And hindi siya sasagot, okay lang, yun lang yun. Very simple. Hindi naman nila kailangan pilitin si Poa, and that would be too stupid. Napipilitin nila kasi hindi nga ito hearing eh. This is just probable cause hearing. Naintindihan mo ba?
we're not going to answer the question. We are going to answer it in a proper forum, which is the
Kaya nga, di ba? Kaya nga. And did you even ask the House's strategy? Kung hindi ka bobo, na baboy?
impeachment court, which is the Senate. Anong gagawin nyo kay Poa? Ikukulong niyo?
Hindi! Bobo! Bakit mo siya ikukulong? Again, probable cause hearing, preliminary investigation. Napaka-simple. Okay? Yun lang yun. Patawag si Poa, tatanungin ng targeted questions, kung ayaw sumagot, define. Kung sumagot, then add that to the evidence. Mayroon tayong tinatawag na circumstantial evidence. Maging evasive siya, fine. And it would be too stupid to cite him for contempt at magiging full-on, contempt drama ang House dahil lang kay Poa. Di ba? Yun yung hindi na-anticipate ng mga bobong to kasi nga bobo. Okay, balid naman sila sa pinagtatanong ni Karen Davila. And I'm still interested sa sagot dito ni Jervel Luis.
Diyan ngayon nagkakaproblema. Yun yung sinasabi nito.
Ang problema mo yun kasi nga bobo ka, baboy. Hindi mo naiintindihan. Kaya nga, di ba, naalala nyo yung nangyari sa Tatay Digongyo, happy birthday pala sa kanya, okay? Sana maglagi na siya, mamatay na siya doon sa The Hague. Hindi naman siya kinontempt, hindi naman siya pinilit. Pero, in-incriminate niya yung sarili niya. Kasi nga bobo yung poon yung si Digongyo. Ganun lang yun. At ganun din ang gagawin kay Poa. Di ba? Kaya kasi nga, again, this is a preliminary investigation hearing, probable cause hearing.
Anong gagawin nyo kay Poa kung sakaling hindi siya sumagot? O kaya halimbawa kay Bibi Sara kung nagpunta siya.
Wala silang gagawin. Let them incriminate themselves kung gusto nila. Ganun lang yun, ganun kasimple. Hindi na kailangan pahirapan ng buhay para sa mga members ng House. Di ba? Tanga nito, napaka-bobo. Bilib na bilib sila sa sarili nila. Pero hindi nila alam na napaka-bobo nilang lahat.
Pero gito siya, tapos hindi siya sumagot. Ano ang gagawin niyo sa kanya?
Wala. Walang gagawin sa kanya. Kasi nga, again, paulit-ulit, di ba? Probable cause hearing. Ganun lang, baboy. Okay? Hanapin ko nga yung sagot dito ni Jinky Luistro. So, hinanap natin sa YouTube, okay? So, panoorin natin yung sagot ni Jinky dito.
Because this will be part of the evidence in the upcoming trial. By responding, we will be handing out our strategy. As
Okay.
a team, we have decided not
No
to
such thing as, part of a strategy exemption. Karen.
respond in this hearing. O paano kayo ngayon?
Because they are not recognizing the constitutionality of
Not
the
necessarily.
proceeding. Is that the
They
reason?
can say, we recognize this, but I am limited. I cannot give out details. O paano yun?
It will depend on the members of the Justice Committee. May rules tayo. Inciting.
But how far can you go?
Tama naman yung sagot dito ni Jervel Luistro. Pero, syempre, I don't know kung ayaw lang sabihin yung strategy nila, okay? Pero ang simple lang yun di ba? Patawag mo si Poa, hindi mo naman kailangan maging full-on, contempt drama. Okay, depende na yun sa members, but I don't think the members, like I said, looking back dun sa hearing o session ni Digonio sa Quadcom, hindi naman nila kinontem kasi they're not that stupid. And I really believe na hindi ganun kay stupid ang mga sina Jervel Wistro, and they're really smart, basing on that hearing kay Digonio noon.
Resource persons in contempt, no? It
Okay.
will depend on how the justice members will be reacting to the failure or refusal of the resource person or the witness to respond.
O saan yung natameme doon? Tama naman yung sagot niya. Pero, again, I think it would be too stupid na magiging contempt drama ang House dyan pa lang sa impeachment na Sara sa House. And I don't think they're gonna do that. No, saan yung natameme doon? Baboy. Okay? Kung hindi mo naman pinagsasabi mo.